Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy Penn, a urology and men's health specialist, and today I'm going to help you unlock the full potential of one of the most widely used erectile dysfunction medications in the world, Tadalafil. If you've ever tried Cialis or one of its generic versions and felt like it didn't quite deliver, maybe the effects wore off too soon, maybe your confidence wasn't as strong as you'd hoped, then this is your video. Today, I'll walk you through 5 science-backed tips that can dramatically improve how Tadalafil works for you. Tips that go beyond the basic instructions and address the most common mistakes men make. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll also share 4 carefully selected supplements I often recommend to my patients. These can naturally boost blood flow, support healthy testosterone, protect prostate health, and even help with performance confidence. All without replacing your prescription. Let's get started. Tip number 1: choose a reliable source. Tadalafil is now widely available as a generic, which is great news for affordability, but here's the reality. Not all generics are created equal. The active ingredient may be the same, but the quality control in active ingredients, and even the way your body absorbs the pill can vary significantly between manufacturers. If you've been using a generic and the results feel inconsistent, maybe weaker on some days or not lasting as long, the problem might not be you or even the drug itself. It could simply be the brand you're using. I often tell patients, try at least 2 different generics before deciding Tadalafil isn't working for you. Ask your pharmacist if they can source a different manufacturer, or even compare your experience with the brand name version Cialis for a fair benchmark. The goal here is consistency, because if the quality changes from box to box, it's nearly impossible to track whether your other adjustments are working. Tip number 2. Take it on an empty stomach. This is one of the simplest but most overlooked tips. While Tadalafil isn't as heavily affected by food as some other ED medications, large or fatty meals can still slow down absorption and blunt the effect. Here's the scenario I see all the time. A man takes his Tadalafil right after a big dinner, maybe steak, fries, dessert, and a couple of drinks. 2 hours later, he's wondering why the pill isn't delivering as expected. The truth is, his digestive system is busy breaking down all that food, so the medication enters the bloodstream more slowly and less efficiently. For best results, take Tadalafil on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning or at least 2 hours after your last meal. Minimize alcohol, not just for liver health, but because alcohol can reduce erectile quality even if the pill is working perfectly. You'll be surprised how much more consistent your results become with this one change. Tip number 3: remember, sexual stimulation is still required. This is one of the biggest misconceptions I encounter in clinic. Tadalafil doesn't create an erection out of nowhere. It's not like flicking a switch. What it does is enhance your body's natural erectile response to sexual arousal. That means you still need both mental and physical stimulation. Whether that's through touch, intimacy, conversation, or exploring what genuinely excites you. Think of Tadalafil as an amplifier. If there's no signal to begin with, no arousal, it can't amplify anything. So don't just take it and wait passively. Engage with your partner, build anticipation, and connect emotionally. The brain is just as important as the body in the erection process. Tip number 4: use the right dose for your needs. Tadalafil comes in 2 main dosing strategies. Daily use, usually 2.5 to 5 milligrams every day, regardless of sexual activity. This keeps a constant low level in your bloodstream, which means you're always ready, without having to plan. On-demand use, usually 10 to 20 milligrams, taken at least 30 minutes to 2 hours before intimacy. This is the higher strength, event-based approach, and its effects can last up to 36 hours. Here's the mistake many men make. They take the daily 5 milligrams dose only when they think they'll need it, expecting the same punch as the 20 milligrams version. But the daily dose isn't designed for that. It works best when it's in your system continuously. If you want the convenience of spontaneity, stick with daily dosing. If you want maximum short-term effect, especially for a planned night, talk to your doctor about switching to the on-demand 10 or 20 milligrams dose. Tip number 5: time it properly. Yes, Tadalafil can start working within 30 to 60 minutes, but here's a crucial detail. It reaches peak levels in the blood around 2 hours after taking it. So if you want the strongest effect, plan ahead. Take it at least 90 minutes before intimacy. That way, by the time you're ready, so is your body. Remember, Tadalafil stays in your system for up to 36 hours, which is why it's nicknamed the weekend pill. This doesn't mean you'll have a continuous erection. It means your body remains primed to respond whenever arousal happens during that time window. If you followed all these tips but still aren't getting the results you want, it's worth remembering that ED is rarely just about the mechanics of an erection. Blood vessel health, hormone balance, oxidative stress, prostate function, and even performance anxiety all play a role. That's why, in addition to medication, I often recommend supporting your body with a combination of targeted, science-backed supplements, a nitric oxide booster, to improve blood vessel dilation and erection strength, a natural testosterone support formula, to help restore libido and energy, a gentle but effective prostate health blend, to support urinary flow and overall male wellness, an antioxidant and stress reduction supplement, to reduce performance anxiety and improve mental readiness. These aren't miracle pills, but they do give your body a better foundation for sexual performance. You can find more details and trusted sources in the description and pinned comment below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more expert men's health advice. And if you want ad-free videos, early releases, and exclusive Q&A sessions with me, consider joining as a channel member. I'm Dr. Nancy Penn. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.